Personally, I don't really like any of the headlight guards that are on the market, and I'll explain why at the end. But instead, let's build one. As for why I don't like the ones that you can just buy, there are two reasons. One is because a lot of them are made of metal, which may be protective, but the already very weak headlight of the transalp does not need any more shading blocking light from getting through. I've already had to ride at night when I got stuck in the mountains after an avalanche, and it was plenty hard enough to see already. As for the plastic ones, well, one issue is weight, and this 2mm thick linoleum that I just made is going to weigh a lot less. And the biggest thing, not only weight, because this weighs so little that my scales can't even pick it up, is that now that I've taped it where I've taped it, it doesn't need to mount to the windshield, which I've obviously removed, and I have a video that explains why I did that, and it doesn't mount to the side fairings, which would make an extra step in the already tedious air filter changes that the transalp has. Not that it needs it very often, being such a clean air intake system compared to the under the seat types. As for why I'm using this B-roll footage, this was filmed 2 months after I crashed and 1 month after I changed to the Shinko 804. A review is coming soon, but this is just to say that I am petty enough to say, with even more ice and plenty of black ice, look, I didn't crash. Perhaps a dry rotted tire is the reason I crashed, despite what hurt feelings in the comments may say. But till next time, thanks for watching, build at your own risk. Feel free to tell me why I'm wrong or why this is terrible or why I shouldn't have done this at all. But I've also never needed a headlight guard before in the last 16 years of riding, but it seems to be the fashion we all do. And how else am I supposed to let my barista know that I'm so cool in Dakar? But thanks for watching. Bye bye.